Okay, since the advent of AI, things have changed quite a bit, and I wanted to just show you students how you might use AI to solve one of these cases. Let's just go ahead and enter this first case, and we're going to go into the mini case, health insurance, and open that up. And I'm going to go ahead and download this case. And let me go ahead and put it into our window here so we can see it. Okay, so this is the case, and I just want to show you. You might notice that I have an extra item here under my on my home tab. It's called Claude. It's called Claude for Excel, and I click on that. It brings AI into my Excel. Okay, and the way you would get that, you'd have to get what's called the Anthropic Pro subscription. I think that's about. It's going to be $20 per. If you want to use it, it's $20 per month. If you have the Pro, and that would probably be sufficient for you to work in this class. Okay, and the way you get it this up here, you're just going to go here to search. And you're going to go to browse add-ins, and you want to look for Claude for Excel. Now this is I'm recording this video on June 2nd, 2026, so things can change real quickly. But this is how you do it in June of 2026. And you can see it's right here. So you click on that and you would install it, but then you won't be able to use it unless you sign up for Anthropic and get the Pro license. And if you have like I say, if you have a student email, an EDU email, you should be able to get it for $20 a month. Or I don't think it even matters if you have a student. I think everybody gets it for $20 a month. Okay, so I'm going to show you the power of it now. So I could say, if you go back to our, let me do it this way. Go back to our case. It asks you these things here, right? So I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it here in the prompt. I'm going to say, please solve this case. Use a separate Excel tab for each part. And then I'm going to just copy and paste the rest. Let's just see how it does. I'm going to go ahead and hit this arrow to let it go work. So it's going to work on it. And I'm going to pause it, and we'll just kind of see what it does when it's all done. So let me pause it for a second so you don't waste your time. Okay, so now we're 16 seconds in. It's building part A. And let me pause it again. Okay, so here it did part A. It looks like it did it correctly. You can click on these and see where it put the formulas in. Now, I'm showing you this. This may seem like cheating, right? I'm showing you this because this is the future, right? Things can be built, it can be modeled, but what I want you to do is I want you to look at this, understand what happened, and click on these little formulas. See, this is our assumptions. This is what we want to find, and then there's going to be formulas in each one of these. If you click on them or double click on it, even color codes it and shows where it's getting it, B4 times B5. So you need to go in there and look at it and also make sure it's correct. You're responsible to make sure it's correct, right? This is a very good learning tool. So it's already finished. You can see it did part B, part C, part D. And so it completed that case in probably a total time, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay. So I'm showing you this because other students have access to it. So I want all you to have access to it so you can see how it works. But also, you're not going to learn anything if you just do this and just turn it in, right? So you want to look at it, see how it solved this stuff, right? You can also do this on your quizzes too, can't you? So, anyways, so it's quite interesting how powerful AI is getting. So also, if you work somewhere they have uh, Copilot, like the real Copilot, not the Copilot Lite, but if your company pays for Copilot, it might be a way to do it for Copilot. But I think this Claude for Excel, um, if you're willing to pay that $20 a month, that might be worthwhile for you because you can see that. And then this is what you would turn in, right? And so everybody, it's going to do it differently too. Like if I would do this again, probably would do it a little bit different. But it's kind of cool how I paid exactly what I want, given fine solution. I actually told it to do it separated in parts A, B, C, and D just to make it a little bit. So you basically give it the language, and that's all you need. So anyway, I hope you watch this video. I'm going to send it to everybody right now, and I think I'll go ahead and put it in that first module for. So if you guys want to watch it again, uh, if you like my video and you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on my picture and it'll subscribe you. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.